first on, and then what did you do?
Okay, first of all, we took the batteries off the LED strip. Now the LEDs are directly powered from the computer, directly off the USB port. What we did is, with this little circuit board, it has a microprocessor on it, and it's hooked up to this motion detector, which is a regular LED motion detector where we took all the LEDs out. Just a second. Where we took the LEDs out, and instead of the LED switching on, now the power goes through this white cable into the circuit board and tells the microprocessor when someone has entered the room. The microprocessor then tells the computer that someone has entered the room, and, or in this case, move the hand over the sensor. Then the computer starts music playback and tells this processor to switch on the lights. And later on also a fan could be added to add some movement to those acrylic blocks later on. But right now it only controls the light. Yeah, that's basically it.
And what about the software? Do you use Mosaic?
Yes, the software. This is called an AVR microcontroller. The software for this is written in the programming language C. And the software on the computer which controls it is also written in C, and it only runs on the Linux operating system. Yeah, it's simple communication, data exchange between the board and the computer.
And how can we connect the fan?
The fan, it could be connected to a separate pin on this microcontroller, and the fan could basically be connected like the LEDs, but it needs an additional power supply because there's not enough power coming from the USB cable to drive a really big fan. But it could all be done on this board, but there's too little time to do that now. But it's already prepared in the software, so it's just a matter of putting in the components and changing some small bits in here.
And how you can activate this on the program, this and to show it?
Yeah, to show it, you need a Linux operating system, and yeah, if you want the application, you can just send me an email and I'll mail you the application and instructions on how to set it up, and we can also chat on Skype or on the phone to get it running.
I just have to install Linux.
Yes, that's the first step. I just go to ubuntu.com and download the CD image, run it, and